Hello, greetings to you all, and good to have you back again. And we are still talking about the developmental strides of the Soludo's administration in Anambra State, Nigeria. And this is one of the legacy projects of this administration. Yes, we are live at the Ekwulobia Road Dualisation and Expansion that is currently going on in Anambra State, Nigeria. And it will interest you to know that there has been a vigorous progress that has been recorded so far since the last time we brought you the update of this particular construction along the Ekwulobia Road. So as it is right now, we are in Nanka town and we are progressing to Agulu, then Nise up to Amawbia roundabout. That is where we are going to be ending this video, and you are going to see the tremendous progress that has been recorded so far so good on this construction site. And not to forget what is actually going on right now. As we all know, the rainy season is fast approaching, and I believe that is why the contractors, talking about the GELD construction company, are taking it seriously back to back to see that they truly finish up this project before the rainy season hits them on site. And if peradventure they could not finish up the major works before the rainy season, it will actually halt the progress of this project. So that is why they are rushing this project vigorously to see that it truly comes to a very positive state before the rainy season comes in full. So we are in Nanka town, guys, and so far so good. You have seen what is going on already at this side of the construction site. To be sincere with you, this project is truly progressing in a positive direction, and within a very short time they would actually be done with this particular project. With the way they are taking it right now, I can bet on it that they will be done with this project in no distant time. And that's a very, very good one coming from the GELD construction company. And at the same time, there's a very good one coming from the Anambra state government, because they are the one seeing that this project is properly funded without any obstruction or delay. So just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is BlessingGodwinTV, and we indulge you to do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. We are dedicated in bringing you developmental updates around the southeast region and beyond the southeast region, and we are going to keep doing that back to back, just like we always do. So this is one of the legacy projects of the Soludo's administration in Anambra State, Nigeria. Just like I've told you in some other videos, that Anambra is no longer that state with tiny roads any longer. No. That's in the past already. To be sincere with you, this administration, talking about the Soludo's administration, is opening up the state entirely, making the state to look totally transformed from what it used to be before now. So guys, we are headed towards Agulu town, and you need to see what is going on in Agulu town at the moment. Just like we all know, Agulu is one of the towns that is mostly affected by this road dualisation project that is going on in this particular section of the road. Yes, being that Agulu has more properties, talking about houses, schools, even churches that are very, very close to the roadside, and that is why a lot of properties were really being removed along the roadside. When we get to Agulu, you will see what actually happened there. A lot of structures, a lot of stores, building fences, even house, church fences, and schools. a lot of them were actually removed to see that this road is wide enough, to accommodate the double lane on both sides. So what we are saying right now is that the Anambra state government is totally determined to see that this project comes to reality, and we are already seeing that happening already. Yes, along this road you will also see parts of Agulu that has been asphalted up till Amawbia. I'm telling you the fact, guys. Agulu, it has been asphalt. We have already seen asphalt from Agulu up till Amawbia roundabout. And that is where we are going to end this video. Just like I told you before now, we are going to get to Amawbia roundabout all the way from here. So stick to this video. Make sure you watch it to the end, because there is a lot. When I say a lot, there is a lot going on along this road right now. The work is massive. The progress that is going on this particular construction is so massive and interesting. So you need to see what is happening along this road as it is right now. At the same time, I would also love to hear from you. Yes, we would love to hear your thoughts. We would love to hear your ideas. We would love to hear your commendations. We would love to hear your advices. Whatever it is, you would love to share with us about this project that is going on, about the Anambra state government. Please do well to do that on the comment section, so that we all will be on the same page together. And at the same time, if there are things you know about this project that we don't know about them, please, we urge you to share with us on the comment section, so that we'll all be on the same page. And just like I've always told you guys before now, Anambra as a state is entirely a construction site. You need to understand when we say that a whole state is a construction site. It's not a joke. It's not a word that you should toy with. Seriously. We are seeing Anambra state within 3 years. We are talking about 3 years here. Within 3 years being transformed completely from what it used to be to a better state. Like it's truly becoming the light of the nation, which it should be and which it represents. And it's a very good thing. And the joy of all of this is that we have not really had it in this manner before. We have not seen where this sort of transformation happens within 3 years. A whole state being transformed within a period of 3 years is something to be amazed about. Talking about in this part of the world, where we hardly see developments in this manner. To be sincere with you, what Governor Soludo is doing in Anambra State at the moment is not something someone should toy with. I don't think there is any governor who has done who has achieved what he had achieved already just within these 3 years. Even our past governors who have done 8 years in office have not achieved what Soludo has really achieved within a period of 3 years. And there is no doubt about that. There is no need to argue about it, because if you think it is a joke, all you need to do is just go down through this channel, go through our channel. You will see a lot of videos, a lot of developmental videos in this channel that would put you to the right direction and to the limelight. It will also open your eye to what is happening in Anambra State at the moment. It is not a joke. We are so proud of what Soludo is doing in Anambra State, and we encourage him and we support him so as to do more of what he is doing. And we truly believe that he would continue in this direction of developing Anambra State and making it the light of the nation that it is supposed to be. So don't forget to let us know what you think about what is going on in Anambra at the moment, what you think about the Anambra state government, what you think about this particular project that is going on right now along the Amawbia-Ekwulobia road. There is a lot that is going on. A lot is going on, guys. A lot. Seriously. There is massive progress along this construction site. Seeing that the Amawbia-Ekwulobia road comes to reality, and is a very good one coming from the contractors, who are the GLD, and at the same time the Anambra state government. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, so that you will see a lot of progress and all that we have in stock for you in this video. So you can see that we are already in Agulu town, and you can see what is going on along these roads at the moment. There has been serious progress from what it used to be. Yes, if you had watched the previous updates we brought about this project, you would understand that sincerely there has been serious progress already within a very short time. And just look at this project in the next 1 to 3 months and understand what it is going to be or look like. So let's hear your advices, guys. Let's hear your recommendations. Let's hear your thoughts, your views about every other thing that is going on in Anambra State. Enjoy the rest of the video. God bless you.